That's a baby deer that ran through our campsite and is swimming out across the lake. I don't think it means to do that. Oh boy, I don't know. It's coming back.
Probably give it space so that it can come.
Yeah, yeah.
Come back.
Huh, weird. Oh my goodness, it's just going. Gotta get to a clearing here. I can't see it through. I guess we're coming up here. Oh man, it's just like going. What in the world? Weird. It was like it was scared. It was running down the hill and then it just went straight into the water.